There's a lot of identity theft going around right now, you guys. You need to get on top of protecting your identity. Did you know that there were 1,800 data breaches in 2020, and there's more now? So definitely stick around, you guys. I want to tell you guys how you can protect your identity so that you don't have these type of problems. Now, if this is your first time watching my video, my name is Rickita. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video. This is what I usually say in my videos, but hi, welcome. I have a lot of new people coming on to my channel, so definitely I want to welcome you guys on, or you girls on. I always say guys. I don't know you guys, that's what I say. But welcome on. If you ever have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comments. And if you ever want me to make you a certain type of video about credit cards or anything like that, drop it down in the comments. Also, I usually make videos when I see those different comments. Now, you guys, let's get into it. I want to go right into it. There's a lot of things going on right now, you guys. There's identity theft like on the rise. A lot of people, when they call me, they say, Rickita, I have these accounts on my credit reports that's not mine. And now we're trying to figure out what they can do to fix these different things. But usually they come to me after they've had it on their credit reports for like a year or 2 years. They just sit there not knowing what to do. And I want to tell you guys that there's something that you guys can do to avoid this. You don't have to just wait, a few years not knowing what to do. You guys can do what you have to do ahead of time so that these problems, they're minimized, or if they were to happen, you can easily get them solved. You do not want to sit on these problems and have these same problems for years and years and years when you can just go ahead and fix it. Now, you guys, I had to bring up these statistics because I told you guys there were 1,800 data breaches, 1,800 data breaches in 2020. Now, we're all going up right now. Everything is going up in terms of the different things that's going on in terms of identity theft. Now, look at this here. There was 47% of Americans experienced financial identity theft in 2020. But wait, there's more. You can see that the numbers actually went up because we had identity theft before, but now we're on a whole new level. Everything is online and people can fill out applications online. Now look how much it's costing. Look how much this identity theft is costing people. So you can see right here, losses in 2019, it was 502.5 billion with the B. And then it increased to 42% for 2020. We're at 712.4 billion. That is why I am so happy Aura is sponsoring this video. And the way you guys can protect yourself is with Aura. I am so happy that they actually help everybody in terms of having a whole system where they can track your passwords with you. They have VPNs so you guys can surf the internet, make sure that you're fully protected. And then also, you guys, if you guys were to have any type of data breach or anything like that, or they find your information on a dark web, they're going to contact you within 24 hours. And then they have a full customer service team that can help you all if you guys were to have a problem. Like if identity theft was to happen, you're not coming to me 2 years later. You're on the phone with them right away and they're going to help you through that whole process. You guys are also going to have $1 million coverage with Aura too. And they can not only protect you, but they can protect your full family. Now, I made a video about Aura before. Definitely you can go ahead and check it out. And I told you guys how you can actually repair your own credit and boost your credit score 129 points. Definitely go ahead and check that video out. I'll make sure I link it here so you guys can watch it. And I have my link down in the description. So my link is aura.com/Rickita. I actually signed up with the client, so I want to show you how you guys can sign up for it too. I did step by step. Let's go ahead and get into it now. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to choose a plan. So they got 3 different plans. You got an individual, which is here. You got a couple, and then you have one for families. Now, everything is kind of like the same, and then it just multiplies going forward. So with the individual, you'll get the 1 membership, you get the $1 million identity theft insurance. You guys will get the antivirus, VPN, safe browser, and password manager. You guys will get that for 10 devices. And then 2, you guys will get all of the identity theft protection. And you can see it's the same thing on these 2 with identity theft protection. And then 2 for the financial fraud protection, you got the same thing across all 3. Now, this is the only difference. Like I said, it just multiplies. So if it's just 1 person, you only need 1. If it's 2 people, you need 2 memberships. You need the $2 million insurance is basically double. And you want to get 20 devices, 10 per adult. So that's what you're going to get. And then 2, For the family, you can get up to 5 members. That's adults or kids. You guys will have the $5 million insurance. That's $1 million per adult. The antivirus, you get 50 devices, 10 per adult. So everything just multiplies. So go ahead and pick a plan that's best for you. Now, I'm just going to go with just the individual plan. So let's go ahead and start the trial there. So let's go ahead and create the account. So they need your email address, your first name, your last name. If you have a middle name, you can go ahead and put it in and then go ahead and click continue. So let's go ahead and put this information in. Okay, so now we put all the general information in. Now we have to go ahead and put the home address in. So let me go ahead and fill in this information. So that's the street address, the city, state, and zip code. Let's go ahead and fill this in now. Okay, so now we put the general information in, we put the home address in. Let's go ahead and put your personal information in. So that's going to be your phone number, your date of birth, and your social security number. Let's go ahead and put this information in now. Okay, so now we put in all the general information. We put our home address in, we put our personal information in. Now you have to decide if you want to do annual billing or monthly billing. I'm just going to go ahead and click monthly billing, and you want to go ahead and fill out this section here. So you can pay with your card, or you can pay with PayPal, you can pick which one you want to do, and then you're going to go ahead and click complete order. So let me go ahead and fill this information in, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now I put everything in. You guys can see that I actually created the account. Everything went through. So now I have to create a password. So let me go ahead and create the password. Perfect. So the account was created. So they said they're preparing the account. This will take a few minutes. Once it's completed, you will automatically be directed. Okay, they're putting us there already. So they're enabling everything. Okay. Okay, so we can get alerts on suspicious spending. So you can add your financial institution there. We'll go ahead and do that later. Remind me later. So they want us to verify the phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the code in that I got. Okay, perfect. So I'm in here. So now we got to verify the identity. So when you guys come in here, make sure you guys go ahead and verify your identity. So let's go ahead and do that first. Since we got that alert here, let's go ahead and do that now. So verify identity. Let's click start. Okay, so now the identity has been verified. They're enabling the Experian credit lock. Let's go ahead and click activate. So here is the account here, you all. So let's go ahead and review everything and all the different features that they have available. They can monitor your financial account. So you guys can go ahead and activate this and connect your account so that they can monitor and see if there's any transactions that you probably didn't know of. But you can go ahead and sign up for that, and they'll go ahead and send you alerts. You guys will also get access to your credit reports. We're going to do that last because I want to go into detail with that for those people that's into credit. That's what this channel is about. I want to go into the credit and the credit reports. And don't forget, you guys, they're going to monitor these, so they're going to give you alerts. But I want you guys to see what all this look like so you guys can sign up for additional things. I heard of storing passwords when you were giving them out to other people, or sometimes maybe you were losing them. Click activate and store your passwords here. You guys can check any different alerts that they may have found on the dark web, any public records, any account records, their data broker list. You can go ahead and check here to see if there's anything that's popping up. I used to get alerts about the dark web sites, so definitely you want to keep your eyes out for that. And if you guys have certain devices that you're using, you want to go ahead and protect these devices. So you guys have the antivirus, and then you guys have the online security with the VPN. So you guys can go click here to go ahead and activate that. And then you guys don't forget, you have the family plan. You guys can definitely add that on. Now let's go over these credit reports. So let's go ahead and click there. Now, you guys are going to get a copy of your credit reports, and you guys are going to be able to see your credit scores. Now, the update on your credit is going to happen every 30 days. So the next update is going to be in 30 days. There is a credit lock on it. If you click right here, you can unlock your credit. So you can lock and unlock your credit right on here. You don't have to have the Experian app. You can do it right on here. So that's really good. And as you guys stay with this company, you guys will see your credit score changing. You know, you guys have the credit score tracker, so you can see where your credit scores are at. So you guys can be able to track it. Now, this is a breakdown on the credit for those people that's trying to figure out what's wrong with my credit, what should I do? They're telling you exactly what's wrong. You have too many delinquencies on your account. They're recent. The date opened, your oldest account is too recent. So they're saying so many things, delinquencies. Did they say was good too? So the balances on your accounts is not too high compared to loan limits. So you guys go ahead and read these different things because they'll tell you different things that's wrong with your credit, and then you'll know what you can go ahead and fix. Now, you guys know that you guys have these things right here where it can tell you what's going on, but you guys can also get your full credit reports right here. Go ahead and click load your credit reports. And then you guys will be able to see your credit reports all here. So you got Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So you guys will have your personal information, your accounts. All your accounts will be listed here, open and closed, your closed accounts. And they'll go over your revolving accounts, your installment accounts, any accounts that you actually have, any other loans, or any other accounts like this right here. This is a collection account. So you guys will be able to see those different things. If you guys have inquiries, they have them all listed here. And if you guys have public records like a bankruptcy, it'll be listed here. But you guys have all 3 credit reports. So you guys will just go ahead and flick through it, and then you will be able to have all 3 of your credit reports and your credit scores. So hopefully you guys found this amazing. I really like them because you guys can have everything in one place, especially if you guys are to the point where you're not staying on top of your credit like when you was building your credit. You're busy right now. You don't know what's going on. You may have had identity theft in the past. You guys, you're kind of scared it's going to happen again. You want to make sure everything is protected. So I like Aura because they can protect you. Now go ahead, you guys, go ahead and click the link down below. I have the link down below for you. It's a 2-week trial. All you have to do is click on aura.com/Rickita, and you guys can go ahead and get that 2-week 14-day free trial. If you guys have any questions for me, definitely let me know. But if not, then I'll see you guys in the next video.